Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can upgrade item rarity in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and what we're looking for is in our inventory. We can find here the Orb of Alchemy, and you can see that the Orb of Alchemy upgrades a normal item to a rare item with 4 modifiers. So if we right click on this, then you're going to see that it lights up our staff and also the superior twig circlet here. I'm more interested in the staff, so we're going to go ahead and upgrade that. So we're just going to click on that, and then boom, now you can see that that has upgraded the rarity of our staff, increasing its modifiers, and that is how you upgrade the rarity of an item in Path of Exile 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.